Molaski. I'm Melody. Today is Tuesday, December 3rd. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please be seated for 30 seconds of silence.
Today's lunch choices are fresh salad bar, chicken nuggets, cheese pizza, and the grab-and-go options. And your sides are campfire baked beans and mixed fruit cup.
Come enjoy time with your friends or come meet some new friends as we have fun socializing and playing board games after school today in room 612 from 2:20 to 3:30.
If you are interested in Anime Club, please come to room 606 today after school. If you have any questions, please see Mrs. Clayton.
American Sign Language Club meets on Tuesday after school in room 808. If you are interested in learning ASL, come join us. Late bus passes will be provided. See Mrs. Call if you have any questions. MJHS and Student Council are teaming up with 3 Square Food Bank to collect canned and boxed goods for the holiday season.
3 Square does its very best to make sure no Las Vegas family will be without a Thanksgiving dinner, as 100% of the food we collect goes to the families who live right here in Las Vegas.
Ask your parents, grandparents, family or friends if they can donate a can or 2 to help support our food drive.
Yay!
Happy holiday season, Molaski Magic.
NJHS and leadership are teaming up to sell holiday ornaments for just $1 each.
This is a great gift for friends and family.
We are all busy making wreaths, 2 types of candy canes, and pine cone ornaments.
We will begin selling them during lunches.
Happy holidays!
Thank you for tuning in to today's MVP. Have a great day.